presented by Asimwe Angela.
Good evening, everyone. You're very much welcome today. Fiona, thank you for looking beautiful. Sorry, but in the interest of time, I'm just going to introduce everyone. I'll just do the speech. From my left is Hope, Maureen, Elizabeth, Diana, Harriet, Faith, Tona, Mpano, Vimto, Joram, Ninsima, Asimwe, and Dora. Asimwe Angela. Fiona, there's not much we haven't said, honestly. We are grateful for having you as our older sister. Thank you for being who you've been. Fiona has taken care of all of us. Fiona is a parent. Fiona has been a parent since we were children. I, for one, I think I've spent a lot of time with her, and I'm just going to give a very brief story about who Fiona is, and everyone will understand from that. Fiona is the kind of person you'll be in the car with driving somewhere, and something as small as a border guy crossing over, and you talk about it and she'll be like, what have you learned from that? Everything that happens around Fiona has a lesson behind it. And that has taught me and all of us to meditate upon everything. We don't take anything lightly. Thank you, Fiona, for being that person. Thank you for being a mother to all of us. Mr. Fred, thank you so much for today. Thank you for choosing our sister. Fiona, thank you for choosing a wonderful husband. Our darling parents, aunties, uncles, mommy, daddy, thank you for raising us. Thank you for teaching us about God. Thank you so much. I can't stress this enough. Thank you so much. I want to thank God for giving us this day. I want to thank God for giving us life. I want to thank God for giving our parents life. Our parents are here, our grandmother is here, our grandparents are here. All I have to say is thank you, and for our siblings, thank you for keeping unity in the family. Thank you, everyone. May God bless you.
So all me and the girls are going to sing the Tukutendereze song as we thank the good Lord, because we have prayed for this day. We know what this day means to us. Can we go, girls? Yes. The beautiful girls. Can we go? Yeah. Okay. Tukutendereza Yesu, Yesu oli mwana wandika, omusai ogunaziza, bebasa omulokozi. Mambo, we thank the good Lord for this beautiful day. We want to thank God. We want to thank for all our guests. We want to thank our very own man, the one and only Mr. Mbidde Fred, the honorable. Thank you so much for taking us in. Thank you so much, the Honorable Fred Mbidde, for taking in our very own Mango. Mango is the most peaceful girl. Mango, you are so peaceful. And I'm pretty sure you are giving that peace to your future, to your husband, to now your husband. Mango, imagine I need to call you, take you somewhere, and you'll be like, can I ask my husband? Mango, I am so happy. We thank the good Lord for this day. Thank you so much, all of you that have attended this wedding. You look so beautiful. You are so smart. Thank you so much. Have fun.
I'm a friend to Fiona, and of course Honorable Mbidde as the family now. My name is Councilor Ereza Nicholas. I'm a lawyer, a teacher, and a proud Liverpool fanatic. Yes, the legends of Champions League. I don't know what will challenge me on that, at least in the UK. I work for the president as a legal advisor, but most importantly, I first got to know Fiona, I think, through some of the girls I don't want to mention, But Fiona was later, through the brother and the mother, became family to me. And I've been honored to be one of the chairs of the organizing committee on the side of the Kuhinjira. And I was also particularly honored when I was one of the people that were lucky to go to the beautiful family of the Tayugas to actually kuhuta, what they call kuhuta in Runyankole. But as a friend to Fiona and a friend to Honorable, my land colleague, Honorable Mbidde, it is a privilege to know you, Fiona, and particularly Honorable Mbidde, for being humble people, hardworking people, but also people that inspire the rest. What I can say in Runyankole is that Rukundo, God bless you all.